Hello angels, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece and I don't know how to do all these intro thingies, but I'm gonna be doing a different type of video today. I'm not gonna be doing a tutorial, but if you guys want to see how I did this look, it's gonna be on my Instagram, and y'all should check the description, then you can go on my Instagram basically. But we're gonna be talking about best bronzers stroke slash contour for people of color, and well, okay, best drugstore bronzers for people of color. So, and this works for, well, a different range of skin tone, but yeah. Well, in no particular order, I'm gonna start with my Covergirl ebony bronzer. This is it. This is new. I've got the old one here. It's almost finished, literally. It's gone. So I've got this one. This is the Covergirl ebony bronzer. I like it. It's a bit red. It's a bit red, but obviously that's what you want in a bronzer. But sometimes it goes a bit too much. But yeah, this is really good. This is really good. It actually works for medium to dark skin tone, because like I said, I'm a makeup artist and I've used it for different, like, other people, different skin tones, like even for, you know, mixed race and stuff. But yeah, it works. Then this is in no particular order, but I've got the Milani Earth Glow pressed powder. This is what it looks like. So this is what the powder looks like. That's the packaging. I don't know if I should insert the, what's it called, like pictures, but I'm gonna put I'm gonna put links to all of these things in my description bar. But yeah, so this one as well is good. It's a bit darker than I am. It's very opaque actually, but sometimes if you're heavy-handed, you might end up putting on too much. So that's for this one. Then I've got the ColourPop pressed powder cheek thingy. I don't know which one it is, so I'm gonna open it. Basically, this is what it looks like. I've actually used it quite a lot. It came in this packaging, but it's one of those is a magnetic packaging, so I can actually remove it. This is in the shade, so the packaging is magnetic, like I said. So, but this is what it looks like. So if I want to buy this again, I could just buy the pan without the packaging. Anyways, okay, this is in the shade Rodeo Drive. I actually kind of like it. It's really good, but sometimes I find it difficult to show up. Like, sometimes it shows up, sometimes it doesn't, depending on what I'm wearing, or depending on the foundation I'm wearing on the day. But yeah, that's this one. But I like it. So that brings me to, this is the Revolution Bacon Blot Powder. It's in the shade Deep Dark. I don't know if it's visible. This is what it looks like in the thingy. This gives you a more natural bronze look if that's what you're going for. But someone darker than I am, I did a video. I think I'm gonna link it in the description, or I can put it up in the cards. I did a video of this bronzer, or well, it's a powder basically, but I used it as a bronzer. But I had a video on it, so if you want to check that out. But it's good for someone that is my skin tone or somebody that is lighter than I am. So yeah, I like it. I've used it since I reviewed it, but you know, it's okay. This is the Revolution Pro powder foundation, right? This is in the shade F13. For some reason, this powder ran a bit too deep for my liking, but I started using it as a bronzer. Last time I used it didn't go out so well, but yeah, do you see? This is not there it is. So it's actually quite pigmented, this one. but then again, it is a foundation, so I'm not surprised. So if you want to use it as a bronzer or contour or whatever, is there. I wouldn't use this as, well, I'm not really a fan of powder foundations except Bare Minerals, but if you want to use this as a powder foundation, not the best work, but as a bronzer, I'm not opposed. This is in the shade F13, so if you want to go darker, they have up to F18. Yeah, F18. The next one is, this is the Praline palette. This is from the I Heart Revolution range, and you buy it as a set. It comes with is it velvet something palette and the peanut palette or something like that. But obviously you can't really get this on its own, so it's not exactly practical, because when I'm done using this shade, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I really like it. Like, it's very similar. It's very similar to, oh sorry, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's very similar to the Big and Blood powder. So if you're going for a more natural look, this is your guy. And my favorite is this one. I use this quite a lot. This is the Revolution powder. This is the matte base powder. This is in the shade P15. When I first got it, I got the P16, and I found that it was a bit too dark for my skin tone, but I use it for my clients and they really like it. Really good. And these are people that usually a lot more darker than I am, so it's easier to use it on them. And this powder, or this powder goes deep until P18. So if you're looking for something in that range, they've got you. Obviously it is a face powder, so if you want a face powder, you can still get it, because I use this as a face powder and I use this as a bronzer, so I like this. So Revolution actually got us in that aspect. So my top three will be P15 powder, matte base powder by Makeup Revolution. This is the Milani press powder in Egg Glow, and my all-time favorite, this is the Covergirl Covergirl Ebony bronzer. So I like this one. I actually like all of them, but at least it depends on what look you're going for, and it depends on your skin tone as well. But this is people of color friendly, this is dark skin friendly, this is, at least, and it's drugstore. You know, most people when they're talking about bronzers, they're talking about Anastasia, they're talking about what's this other one, like basically some things that some of us cannot afford, you know. So I like these ones and they've been working for me. Like, nobody's gonna come on my face and be like, oh, what are you wearing? As in, I could wear like a 30 pounds foundation and still put on that bronzer and it works very well. So anyways, that is my video for today. So thank you guys for watching, and remember to thumbs up this video, comment down in the comment section what you guys think. If there is any other one that I missed, you guys put that in the comment section. And comment section. Yeah, I'm talking too much. By the way, everybody's been asking me where to get this ebony bronzer. Before, I used to be able to get it on Amazon, but for some reason you can't get it anymore. As in, I know it's cheap in America, but you can't get it in UK here. But I don't know. I'll still try my best and check the links and put that. I'll list it in the what's it called, description bar. Anyways, remember to thumbs up this video, comment down there, and always remember to subscribe and put on the notification thingy so that you're notified whenever I upload anything. And remember, keep living and keep doing you. Ciao.